What are Instagram subscriptions and how can you use them to make more money in 2022? I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about one of Instagram's latest creator enablement features, namely subscriptions. So, what exactly are Instagram subscriptions? They're exactly what you'd expect. Your biggest fans pay a monthly fee to get access to your exclusive content, like special lives, stories, posts, and group chats. This is a great way for creators to earn extra money since it's recurring revenue. On the creator side, you'll clearly be able to see who is a regular follower and who is a subscriber in your direct messages, since they'll have a special icon. The most important question on the subject is how exactly should you price your subscription? We've seen creators price as low as 99 cents and as high as $30 a month, but it's entirely possible that creators are charging well above that. The key here is that you are in charge of what you charge your subscribers. So it's up to you to decide if you're going to play the volume game and price low, or make it exclusive and charge a smaller group of people a larger sum instead. Either way, a steady monthly income stream is a great way to supplement your brand deals that come and go. Here's some happy news. Instagram isn't taking a cut until at least 2023, so you keep 100% of the income from subscriptions. How do you gain access to subscriptions? Right now, they're only available in the US. You have to meet Instagram's standards for monetization and remain compliant. For example, you can't use music in your subscriber-only content since that violates copyright since you're monetizing the content. In summary, Instagram subscriptions are a great way for you to monetize your presence in addition to the more old-school forms of monetization like paid brand partnerships. You're in complete control and should strategize accordingly. Start pricing for growth. Go small before you go big. Focus on building a relationship with your subscribers to make sure they stay on for a long time. Remember, it's about how engaged your followers are, not how many followers you have, so you don't need to wait to have a huge account to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and drop a comment. Subscribe for more tips and information on monetizing your influencer account. See you in our next video.